Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Kaylan Alex. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe, become part of the tribe. Awesome and great things happen over here. And if you're returning, thank you so much for tuning in. So today we're going to be doing a little luxury unboxing slash haul, I guess. I have a few things that I recently acquired and I want to share them with you guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So this first item is actually from a brand that I've worked with previously. They were generous enough to send me over another item. It is Portrait Eyewear, which is an Italian-based luxury eyewear company. I absolutely loved their sunglasses. So if you've watched my previous videos, I know my sunglass video and I did another review of them like a few months ago, sometime last year, but I love them. So I have another pair here, and like I was saying before, they're a luxury eyewear brand. They create sunglasses. They like collab with artists. So each pair of sunglasses is artist inspired, or like to that particular artist style. So each pair is uniquely crafted and made. I love the quality of them, and they sent me over another pair, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox them for you guys. So this is what it looks like when you first open it. And this is what we have in the inside. So let's pull out this box first. So it has this box in there. I love this. I love these they come with these, I guess little postcards. So like the last one I got was like a little booklet, and it just had like different art and stuff on it. So this one is another piece, and in the back of it's like this. I love art. And then we have this case. So then this is the front. We're gonna flip it open like so. It says this eyewear was handmade with passion and extreme precision. And then the top of it says, now yours. It highlights the uniqueness in nature, a true reflection of our very own portrait. Flip it open. Oh, okay. And we have the sunglasses here. And then a little booklet here. And then these are just like decoration. So the booklet, it's folded nicely. So this booklet has each of their different styles. Like they have sunglasses as well as opticals. So it has some of their different frames and styles in the booklet. And then just, you know, care instructions and so forth. So I really like how this is made. It's like a little folded booklet, but it has all the important details. So now we have the sunglasses, which I'm so excited to see in person. They feel so good. Oh, they're so cute. So these are the sunglasses that I got. I wanted something different. Y'all know I love sunglasses. So I'm gonna get something different that I can wear. So the side of them have this green look to them. They are the Starman. I believe this was like a limited edition style one, but I'm just gonna try them on for you guys. I'm here for it. These are giving me, simple throw on. I'm just running errands, just out the door. I love sunglasses like this because they're versatile. Like they can go with anything, and I just love the way they look. I love this shape and how it's not just the traditional square or round. It has like this little, funky shape, and the color, of course, I am here for. Now they did have these in different colors, so you can, pick the style of your choice and your choosing, but I just was drawn to these, and I'm like, yes, I'm here for it. I love that these are weighted, and you can tell the craftsmanship in them. It's like they actually put thought into how these were made, and the just the quality of it, you can tell was thought out, and I'm just here for it. So these are the sunglasses. They also came with I love that they come with the actual box and not just the pouch. So when I'm storing them and I'm not wearing them, I'll usually keep them in the box. Or if I'm traveling and I'm taking multiple pairs of sunglasses, I love to have like a box that I can put all of my sunglasses in, or like, you know, each pair, so that they don't get squished in my luggage and stuff. And even this is like really nicely made, and the name is here on the top. So I love that. You do have a little discount code. We have for the company, there's a 30% off coupon code. It will be linked down below. Also with the website, there's a specific pair that I have, and you can like shop whatever style you like. Also, I'd encourage you to sign up for their newsletters, because they do offer different promotions and other discounts regularly. So that is a good way to find out about additional exclusive details about the sunglasses, new pairs that are coming out. And I'm really pleased with this brand, and I'm so happy that I've been able to work with them, because they're literally the sweetest, and their product matches what I'd expect from a luxury eyewear brand, and just the overall vibe of it. I'm just here for it. So I will have everything linked down below for you guys, so that you guys can shop your own pair, and you know, we can be out here twinning, or you can get you some new sunglasses, because y'all know I love sunglasses. So the next item that I have is an item that I have mentioned before as an item that I would never buy. And I'm saying that I'm allowed to change my mind, and to, you know, I'm allowed to change my mind, right? So this is an item that I had listed in my luxury items that I would never buy, or luxury items that I wouldn't buy 2020 or something like that. It'll be linked above, so you guys can see me chatting about it in my different perspective now. So I did buy this item pre-loved. I bought it from Fashion File. You guys know I love Fashion File. Most of the items that I choose to purchase pre-loved, I usually get from Fashion File, or sometimes Tracy's, sometimes. But Fashion File is like my go-to. So, you know, it comes with all the confetti, which I'm like, let me just gather it all together, because I don't want to pick these pieces up. And I think this is so cool. Like, it comes with a little nail filer, like Fashion File. Get it? And then this is just my receipt. And this is the item. Okay. So this is actually so funny. So the item that I purchased is something from Louis Vuitton, and it came in one of their little pouches. It is a phone case. Now, y'all know in that video, I mentioned that I would never buy a tech accessory, especially a phone case, from a luxury brand, because phones in general, not just iPhones, phones in general are always changing. The camera is usually what changes the most, so you can't reuse the case. The style, everything about it, you may want a larger one, you may have a small one. I was like, I would never buy this, because I usually get the new phones whenever they come out, and I would only be having a case like this for maybe a year or so before the new one comes out, and I'm just like, that's not enough time for me to use it. Well, I've had a slight change of heart, because I was like, I didn't get the new iPhone. I have the 12 Pro, and I was like, you know, no, the 11. It's the 11. I have the 11. The 12 is what just came out. I have the 11 Pro. I said I was not buying the 12 Pro. I'm not buying another phone for another 2 years at least. So that is my justification for really getting this case, because I was like, you know, I think that they're cute, but I change my phone too often. So now that I'm not going to be changing my phone, I was like, well, now I have an excuse to get this case and actually have use out of it, because I'm not changing my phone. So there we have it. That is my justification. That is my reasoning. So there's that on that. It's actually in really good condition. I honestly, it's a phone case, so I was actually expecting it to be a little more worn, and I was like, you know, if it's too worn, then, you know, I ain't gonna be able to keep it because I don't want nothing like, oh, but honestly, it's in really good condition. And usually when you shop with Fashion File, usually the items are in very good condition, which is why I prefer to shop with them over some other brands, because you don't get super worn items. And like, I know I want to wear it and enjoy my item, but I don't want it to come to me already looking like it's been through World War One, two, and coming up into three. So, you know, yeah. But I'm gonna try it on my phone so you guys can see what it looks like. Honestly, I can't even believe I purchased this because I was like adamant about not purchasing it. Here we go. It is on my phone. And these are just the tags, you know, to return it if you choose to. But it's actually considered a bumper or whatever. And it's because the sides of it aren't all the way enclosed how some other cases are. So that is just the deal on that. But I love it. Like, it's such a vibe. I'm here for it. They had a red one that I was like, I kind of like it, but I like this color because it's solid, it's neutral, and it's not so, you know, loud. It's like just a basic phone case. Okay. Now, the last thing that I purchased, I was not expecting to purchase this. Actually, I had thought about it, and I was like, okay, at some point I want to get these, and I knew that when they're gone, they're gone. So I was like, let me just go ahead and do this. So it's another item from Louis Vuitton. This box is actually pretty deceiving because the item is not even, it doesn't warrant a box like this. Like, it's huge. It's huge. But this is what we have. So I'm just gonna slide this off. And we have a pair of shoes. Now, as you can tell, it didn't warrant this box, but this is what we have. So I'm just gonna take them out. And I just love a fresh dust bag. Like, it's not even been, you know, squeezed or anything. It's like perfectly ironed. I love it. So anyway, let's just talk about the item that's in here. I got these shoes. So honestly, I'm in love. I really love them. They're so comfortable. They feel so amazing. Like, I thought that they were going to be uncomfortable because of this hard bottom and this kind of looks narrow, but it just makes sense and it feels so good on. So I got these in a 38.5. This is like that nylon texture, I guess, like a puffer material almost. And I'm really into dad sandals. I love my Chanel ones. I probably wear them with everything that I can. I just love the look of them. I love that they're comfortable and they're versatile. So these come in this nylon puffer material as well as the leather. Now, originally I thought that I would like the leather more than the nylon, but when I tried this one on, I was like instantly in love because I love the way that it looks on. To me, it looks cute, you know, off. You know, it's like a dad sandal. Like, I think it looks cute just, you know, on display. But when you put it on, I feel like it really just brings it together. It makes it look even cuter. So the leather is flat. But the reason why I didn't like the leather is because it looked way more like a dad sandal. It looked way more, you know, it just wasn't really my vibe. And plus, I didn't like the little, it has like little like stitching or like little white dots, like stones on the top, like going across here and here. And I was just like not here for that. I think I would have actually considered them a little bit more if it didn't have that design on it. But the design is really what turned me off. So I was like, no. And then when I tried these on, I was like, yes, I like. So Louis Vuitton shoes to me either run a half size too big or right at your normal size. I am a US 8, so I usually have to size up a half size for width because my foot is flat. So that is why I got a 38.5. I know I get questions about the sizing of these shoes often. I would say if it's like a sandal or like a mule style, anything, size up at least a half size, sometimes a whole size. I size up a whole size. And then sneakers, I can usually get my true US size in Louis Vuitton shoes. So I hope that helps and I hope that makes sense. So yeah, also I got these because I know when the baby gets here, I'm not gonna be wearing as much probably shoes or anything for a little, like, you know, some time. But when I do, I'll be needing flats, and up until she gets here, I'll be needing flats. So I was like, this is where we at with life right now. So yeah. So guys, that is going to be it for the little haul we have here. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to shop Portrait Eyewear. I will have that discount code linked down below for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, drop a nice comment down below, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get a notification when I post again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.